We will use method of elimination to solve the system of equations. We will try to eliminate x. So we multiply the first equation with 4 and the second equation with 3. If we try to eliminate y, we will multiply the first equation with 5 and the second equation with 4. Multiplying the first equation with 4 and the second equation with 3, we see that the quotient of x is 120 in both the equations. So we subtract the two new equations to eliminate x. Subtracting the two new equations, we get 11y equal to 1, which means y equal to 1 by 11. We got y equal to 1 by 11. Now, in order to find x, we use this value of y in any of the equations. Here I am using the first equation. Replace y equal to 1 by 11 in the first equation. Cancel off and then rearrange to get 30x equal to 6 or x equal to 1 by 5. So the solution is x equal to 1 by 5 and y equal to 1 by 11.